Greetings from Edu Aspirants, our YouTube channel to ace academics, competitions, entrance exams, as also for enrichment of knowledge. In the series of videos on India, in chapter 13, we will see what we have for you on environment. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, MOEF and CC, that's the logo for the ministry, is the nodal agency in the central government for overseeing the implementation of India's environment and forest policies and programs relating to conservation of the country's natural resources, including lakes and rivers, its biodiversity, forests and wildlife, ensuring the welfare of animals, and prevention and abatement of pollution. The ministry is also the nodal agency for the United Nations Environment Programme UNEP. This is the logo of United Nations Environment Programme. International Center for Integrated Mountain Development, ICIMOD, and the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, UNCED. The ministry also coordinates with multilateral bodies as the Commission on Sustainable Development, CSD, Global Environment Facility, GEF, and regional bodies such as Economic and Social Council for Asia and Pacific and South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SARC. Botanical Survey of India, BSI, is the apex research under the ministry for carrying out taxonomic and floristic studies on wild plant resources of the country. Sir George King, the then superintendent of this is the logo of BSI, Royal Botanic Garden, Kolkata, and you must also remember that BSI headquarters is also Kolkata, was appointed as first ex officio honorary director of the Botanical Survey of India. Zoological Survey of India, ZSI, is a premier research institution undertaking, this is the logo, survey, exploration and research leading to the advancement of our knowledge on the rich fauna means animal life, diversity of the country since its inception in 1916. Its headquarters are at same Kolkata as the BSI, and it has 16 regional centers located all over the country. Forest Survey of India, FSI, is engaged. This is the logo of FSI. Assessment of the country's forest resources since 1981. It is involved in the forest cover assessment of the country biennially, every 2 years, by interpretation of satellite data, and presents the information in the form of India State of Forest Report. Inventory of forests and trees outside forest, TOF, is the second major activity of Forest Survey Institute. The country has been divided into 14 physiographic zones and 60 districts randomly selected. From these zones, on probability proportional to the size for detailed inventory in 2-year cycles for the National Forest Inventory. The new National Forest Inventory design is grid-based instead of district-based as used earlier. Its main advantage is that it reduced the revisit time of forest inventory from 20 years to 5 years, and that generates state level estimates with better accuracy. International Tropical Timber Organization (ITTA), under the United Nations Conference for Trade and Development (UNCTAD), provides cooperation and consultation among countries producing and consuming tropical timber, promote the expansion and diversification of international trade in tropical timber, and the improvement of structural conditions in the tropical timber market, as also promote and support research and development to improve forest management and wood utilization. The International Tropical Timber Organization, with headquarters at Yokohama, Japan, provides a framework of tropical timber producer and consumer countries to discuss, exchange information, and develop policies on issues related to international trade, utilization of tropical timber, and the sustainable management of its resources base. International Network of Bamboo and Rattan (INBAR) is an intergovernmental organization founded in 1997. That's the INBAR logo. With headquarters in China, INBAR has regional offices in Cameroon, Ecuador, Ethiopia, Ghana, and India. INBAR is dedicated to improving the social, economic, and environmental benefits of bamboo and rattan. What is the difference between bamboo and rattan? Bamboo is hollow, whereas rattan is solid inside. INBAR plays a unique role in finding and demonstrating innovative ways of using bamboo and rattan to protect the environment and biodiversity, alleviate poverty, and facilitate fairer pro-poor trade.